Hey everybody, Bruce. Welcome to today's yoga short. Today we're going to look at the posture Starfish, which is a variation of side plank. You need to have a practice of at least 6 months or longer to be able to hold this in an intermediate class. Some of the variations of Starfish can be very tricky. I'll show you one today, but there are many we'll look at a later date. Today we'll just go over the basic alignment. As in any posture, the most important thing we can do is breathe to a 5 count through our nose if we can. We'll start in down dog. Inhaling the left leg up. You can come in from many ways. Today we're going to cross under, straighten that leg. We'll drop in the back heel, right arms up. Okay? Hips are as high as you can lift them. Focusing on the breath. Variation of this would be to lower the hips, lift the hips. Lower. It's very intense on the obliques. Back up. Good. We'll go back to down dog. Inhaling the right leg up. Exhale, cross under. Straighten. Lift, lift. Breathe. Variation. You don't have to do the variation. Back to down dog. To our knees. Okay, that's going to be today's yoga short. I hope this helped you out in Starfish. It is a very challenging posture. Until we meet again, peace, love, and namaste.